Hello, welcome to Medical Device Training. I'm Adele Taghavi. In this video, I'm going to define a medical device according to FDA regulatory. If you are a producer, at the end of this video, you can determine your product is medical device or not. Maybe you think the definition of medical device is easy, but if you follow this video, you will understand it isn't easy. I hope this video answers your questions. If you are interested in medical devices or biomedical engineering, don't forget to click the subscribe button right bottom this video. Medical devices range from simple tongue depressors and bedpans to complex ICD, include in vitro diagnostic IVD products such as reagent, test kits, and blood glucose meters. Certain radiation emitting electronic products that have a medical use or make medical claims are also considered medical devices. Examples of these include diagnostic ultrasound products, X-ray machines, and medical lasers. Let's look at the definition of medical device. It can be found in Section 201H of the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. It says, medical device is an instrument, apparatus, or machine, implement or implant, contravents, in vitro reagent, or other similar or related article, including a component part or accessory which is A. Recognized in the official national formulary or the United States Pharmacopoeia or any supplement to them. B. Intended for use in the diagnosis of disease or other conditions or in the cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of disease in man or other animals. Or intended to affect the structure or any function of the body of man or other animals and does not achieve purposes chemical action or by being metabolized. For a better understanding of this part, we can use the birth control pills and condoms as an example. The purpose of two devices is to prevent pregnancy, but in birth control pill, the mechanism of action is based on chemical reactions, and in condom, it is based on preventing the entry of sperm. So the control pill is drug, while the condom is a medical device. D. Excludes certain software functions, including data storage, administrative support, electronic patient records, because in above softwares they aren't used to treat, diagnose, cure, mitigate, or prevent disease. Maybe if I explain more about medical software, you will be able to understand the difference between a medical and non-medical software more easily. According to the FDA regulatory, software as a medical device, SAMD, is defined as software intended to be used for one or more medical purposes that perform these purposes without being part of a hardware medical device. In other words, think of SAMD as a software which on its own is a medical device. For instance, the medical device software used to view images from an MRI on your phone would be ASMD. But the software that enables an MRI machine to run its tests wouldn't be. To be considered SAMD, software must must not principally derive a hardware device. The second issue or challenge that manufacturers usually face is related combination product. Maybe it is difficult to determine combination product is a medical device based mentioned definitions. At first, let's explain more about combination products. A combination product is a product composed of any combination of a device and biological or drug products such as drug plus device or biologic plus device or drug plus device plus biologic. In these cases, combination products are assigned to a FDA center that will have primary jurisdiction for its pre-market review and regulation. Determination is based on primary mode of action PMOA of the combination product. For example, drug-eluting stent, which consists of drug and device, because the PMOA of this device is attributable to the medical device, drug-eluting stent considered as medical device. For combination product, if a producer believes classification and center assignment for their product is clear, they may directly contact the center they believe would be responsible for the pre-market review and post-market regulation of their medical product. If the center determines that classification and or center assignment is unclear, they may refer the producer to the Office of Combination Products (OCP). Producers may request formal assignment through the request for designation RFD process or alternatively obtain informal non-binding feedback regarding the combination product through submission of a pre-request for designation pre-RFD. Now we go to the practical part of the training. In this section, we are going to give an opinion about the two devices being medical equipment according to FDA regulatory. On one side, we have adult diaper, and on the other side, we have infant diaper. Do you think these two devices are medical devices or not? Before answering, we must first review the intended purposes of each device. Adult diaper, intended to protect an incontinent patient's garment from urine or stool. Infant diaper, intended to protect an infant's garment from urine or stool. The next step is to check the FDA definitions of medical device. The first question based on the FDA definition was that is it intended to diagnose, cure, mitigate, treat, or prevent disease in a human? About adult diaper? Yes, because adult diaper is used for an incontinent patients and it is aimed at reducing the effects of disease on the patient's life. So the answer to this question is yes. About infant diaper, it is used for infants, not patients or for a disease. So the answer is no. Second question, is it intended to affect the structure or any functions of the body? The answer is negative for both of them. Number 3. Does it achieve its primary intended purpose by chemical action or by being metabolized? Again, the answer is negative for both of them. So, does it meet the definition of medical device? About adult diaper? Yes, absolutely. About infant diaper? No. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I need your support to continue this educational path.